Okay, so this is our demonstration of our proposal for how this sleeve cuff should be, or the bottom hem and sleeve cuffs. Okay, so this is an example of the body that we dyed and washed to the lighter standard. And what we are going to be doing, or you are going to be doing, is creating a temporary stitch, so that way we have this fold line, just as you have done here, where you have the temporary stitch lines and the white line. So we're going to create this fold so that there's the 1/2 inch distance, and then sew that temporary stitch. And then it goes into the wash and the dye in the wash, so that way we create the white line. Comes out of the wash and we release the temporary stitch, so that way it's now going to show the 2 temporary stitch lines and the white line. Next, what we're going to do in order to remove this temporary stitch line that we don't prefer is simply just cut that off. So cut off the temporary stitch line. So then we only have one more stitch line, the white line, and then the bottom will naturally curl up just enough so that the white line is showing theoretically. So then we have the hem extension that is already dyed darker, as you have here. So this would be the darker color. And what we're going to do is create a 3/4 inch fold along this line, and then cover stitch that down, just as you have done here. The difference that then we are proposing is, so now we're going to bring it onto the body.
Body goes on the top.
Yeah. Bring it onto the body and position the hem extension so that the temporary stitch line, we're going to position it like right above our cover stitch line. And then we're going to create the cover stitch. Where's my cover stitch? Right over the temporary stitch line. And that way, aesthetically, we are not seeing that line that we don't prefer. So then we have our cover stitch line, the white line. This is rolled up slightly. Our cover stitch line for the dark hem extension. And that is our proposal.